insight and change the mindset of farmers.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on Wednesday paid tribute to the father of the 6th schedule, Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, on his 64th death anniversary. Speaking on the occasion, Khadc CM Pinyat Singh's aim said that strengthening the district council will be a befitting tribute to Reverend Nichols Roy. He also recalled that late Reverend Nichols Roy was a person who worked towards strengthening the powers of the autonomous district councils. Deputy CMPN's aim veteran MDC Bindo Matthew Lanong also spoke on the occasion.
Nomor baru likely kita nak rekam jangka council ni kenduk lang ni, but next time ba lingba ki kubur ki banmi nak kena kerja kenduk ke bakerpang ni ki fight ba konsumku ya ka board ke ikhtiar jangka council ya ka bangidan ya ka executive committee dan ya ka legislative bangidan ya ka judiciary.
Along with the rest of the world, the Catholic faithful in